So I'll check the DC across the battery. So positive here and negative here. So it is showing 3.04 or approximately equal to 3 volts. Okay, with respect to negative, that is a reference. I'm going to check the voltage at this positive end of the infrared LED. So here it shows 3.04, approximately 3 volts. Across the capacitor, again it is showing 3 volts. So the supply is okay, but still the remote is not working. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the battery. Okay, now I've disconnected the supply to the circuit. So I'm going to check the resistance across this LED, infrared LED. Okay, so for that I need to select 2000 ohms. Okay, so here you can find the right side is the anode, left side is the cathode. Plus is anode, and here it is cathode. So cathode I'm going to keep negative probe and positive probe at the anode. It is showing infinity. It should show some resistance, but it's showing infinity. If in reverse condition it should show infinity only. So it is showing infinity. That means no short. But in this direction it should show some resistance. Some 700 ohms or 800 ohms or 1000. Some resistance should be there. But it is showing infinity. That means the LED is open. Okay. Now I'm going to replace this LED and see whether this remote is working or not.